This is a heavy glass shower door. One of the most frequently asked questions that I get is what kind of glass to use. This particular door is 1/2 inch. However, it comes in 3/8 and 1/2. And then they want to know about the hardware, and I explain that these are what we call thumb notches. It's a notch in the glass that looks like a thumb. That allows us to put this corner piece on there. Got one on this side and this side. And the hinges have 8 holes. And then the shower door handle has, with the towel bar combination, has 3 holes. And then the bottom clips that hold the bottom in has a thumb notch on 2 on each side of the panel. And then I usually go back out to the truck. I get a straight edge out of the back of my truck. It's 80 inches tall. I'll put my 4-foot level with that and proceed to measure the shower door. Starting with the right wall, going across the bottom, and then up the other right wall. When I get completed with that, I usually pull out a calculator and figure out how much it's going to cost them. Then I give them the price, and then we go from there.